Hello, dear friends. We have started module number 7A, that is English for advertising, and we have seen the introduction of the topic also. In my last lecture, we have covered or discussed on first point, that is advertising and its meaning. Now, we are going to discuss on point number second, advertising and its media. Media of advertising is a means of communication by which message of advertising is communicated to the customers at large. There are two major types of media. One is print media and second is electronic media. What is the motto of this media? The motto of this media is to communicate with the audience. The message of advertising is communicated. If you give your advertisement in print media, it will be reached to the people who read newspapers. But the people who do not read the newspapers, up to them your advertisement will not be reached. So you have to make your advertisement at both the places, a print media, in print media, and that is electronic media also. It is media of advertising is a means of communication. Whatever your information about your product, you just communicate this information and your product to the audience, to the buyers, in another way, if we say. Sell and buy, these are the two important processes between business. And advertisement is part and parcel of business strategy. If you want to reach to the mass buyers, you have to make an advertisement. So what is the meaning of print media? There are two types of media. One is print media and another is electronic media. Print media includes newspapers, magazines, journals, leaflets, brochures, pamphlets, etc. We generally see some pamphlets in the newspaper when we buy the newspaper. Along with this newspaper, you get pamphlets, different colors pamphlets about various information. Print media, as its title suggests, the matter is printed on the paper. Print media is expensive than the electronic media, but it has an easy access to the public at large. It is a more intimate way to engage the customers. Audience can directly experience or read what is the content in that advertisement. It means that you largely connect to the mass buyers or public at large. The amount of reading newspaper people is so high, and that's why it is a easy way to reach towards the people who are readers of newspapers. Then second point is electronic media. Electronic media is a mass market form of communication which includes radio, television and internet. Nowadays, after 1995, internet is there. Before that, television is there. I remember that my father brought television in my house in 1988 when I was in the 10th. Before that, there was only one television in a big mohalla, big area of the society. And before 10 years ago, there was perhaps one television in a village. So, rapidly the situation has been changed. And now, radio, television and internet, these three aspects are there in electronic media. Radio is not properly listened by the audience nowadays, but radio was famous in the 1970 to 80, this decade or the last period of 20th century. It is the fastest, cheapest and easiest way to reach millions of potential customers in the world. It is not only the cheapest way, it is easiest also and fastest also. You can reach to the mass audience within a fraction of a second very easily and in low budget. Radio is an audio medium, whereas television is an audio visual medium. There are immensely powerful modes of advertising. You can see the product audio visually on the television. There are many products about motorcycle, four-wheelers and wristwatch and branded suitings and shirtings and saris, and there are lot of products in the world and that are reaching to you through the medium of advertisement. There are many products related to your cosmetics, fairness creams and others. There are many products available in the market about your soap, bathing soap. So, through the medium of this advertisement or the audiovisual medium, the product reaches to you. These are immensely powerful modes. Television advertisement have the advantage of sights, sound, movement and color to persuade a customer to buy the product. You can show the customer color of the product, picture of the product or movement of the product. Each and suppose you want to purchase a washing machine, you can easily observe keenly its operations. Automatic washing machine is also there in the market now. There are various companies. I don't want to explain which company is the best and which is less best. Not necessary. You can decide by seeing all the information about the machine particularly. So audiovisual means a play which plays a prominent role in the business market, and that's why television advertisement is a easiest, fastest and low budget medium to reach the mass people. With the rise of the technology, internet has become more popular mode of advertisement. You can see Amazon and other such Flipkart and other such agencies are there who continuously advertising about the products and discounts. So internet is also becoming a super fast medium of advertisement. Large number of people in the world use internet, as you know, for various purposes like career, marketing, online shopping and banking. Almost each and everything is on internet now. Many houses in India are with internet facility and Wi-Fi facility. Our college is also with the Wi-Fi facility. So you can use internet for your different purposes. If you want to buy something, you can easily access the product on internet by surfing, and you can get the product with lowest cost also, with the facility also, with the additional benefits also. So internet is used for career, marketing, online shopping and banking. There are very much what we can say use of internet by the people. uh, it is not wrong if I say that maximum people of India using internet, and the number of internet users of India is far more higher than other people of the country, other countries. So here is the second point, advertising and its media. We have seen two major points, that is print media and electronic media. Print media becomes out of date nowadays. Nobody read newspapers, nobody read journals and what we can say leaflets and brochures and magazines. Each and everything is on mobile phone nowadays, and that's why internet, and that is electronic media, is quite powerful now. So we can see almost each and everything on internet with the help of this gadget like mobile and cell phones, Android cell phones. So I would like to conclude the second point here, advertising and its media. We will see the third point, that is structure of advertising, in my next video. Thank you.